Hello my dear students. In this lecture we are talking about very interesting concept. It is the concept of radius of gyration. What is meaning of radius of gyration? Okay, so it is a parameter which give moment of inertia directly. Okay, how? Let's see. So we are talking about a radius of gyration. Radius of gyration. Okay, so let us consider an object is moving about this axis. It is the axis of rotation. Okay, this body is rotating about this axis. Okay, now what we are doing, if the same axis of rotation, about this same axis of rotation, where should a point mass we have to place so that it will give same moment of inertia. Okay, what we are doing, we are concentrating this whole body at a single point. So where should this point mass be placed so that it will give same moment of inertia? The distance from the axis of rotation of this point mass where we have to concentrate whole body, okay, is called radius of gyration. Okay, so the mass of this point mass, this particle will be m. So what we can do, this moment of inertia I is equal to, we can write mk square. So k is equal to I by m in the root. Okay, this is the formula to find the radius of gyration. And this I we can write summation I equal to 1 to n mi ri square. If we are considering some particles mi, which is the distance ri. Okay, so this is the formula for the moment of inertia we can put. So k is equal to, now root I equal to 1 to n mi ri square divided by total mass m. Okay, this is the radius of gyration. So the definition of this radius of gyration is a point distance. It is the distance of a point where whole body can distance of a point from axis of rotation. Okay, distance of point from axis of rotation. Okay, where whole body can concentrate it so that it will give same moment of inertia. Okay, this is the definition of radius of gyration. We can take some example, like if we talk about the ring. Okay, so moment of inertia mr square, which is equal to mk square. So m will cancel out, k equal to r. In case of ring, k equal to of radius of gyration is equal to the radius of circular ring. Now if we talk about the disc, it is the ring. So you know very well, moment of inertia is mr square by 2, which can written as mk square. So m will cancel out, k is equal to r by root 2. Okay, same as it is, we can find the radius of gyration of a spherical shell, solid sphere, cylinder. for any kind of object about any axis of rotation, we can find radius of gyration. It is very important concept. So many questions may ask in this concept in JEE and NEET also.